Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can install multiple operating systems in our computer. I am using Oracle VirtualBox Manager. The general steps will be to download and install VirtualBox from this website and get the required ISO, then install each ISO separately. First we have to click new, then we type Windows 11. Be careful not to put special characters or space there, and we select ISO. I have kept my ISO in this location. Now next, change me. Okay, this is the password we have to remember. You can change, you can put your password. Now base memory is 4 GB, processor to CPU. Okay, and we have to create virtual hard disk. Let's set it to 20 GB. Leave others unchanged. Now finish. It will be powering up, it will be installed. Let's wait for a while. Press any key. I just pressed from keyboard. It captures mouse, so right control. To uncapture mouse we have to click right control. Full screen. I don't have. I just opened my computer's task manager to see the resources uses, and you can do only if you want, it is not required. After waiting for a while, our OS is installed and it is logging in. Now we are logged into new OS in the VirtualBox. This is the OS within our OS. Right now in my main OS, the build is 23H2. In the VirtualBox, though it is Windows 11, but it is of different version. It is 24H2, but in my main OS I'm still in 23H2. This is just build version. I just wanted to show that these two are different Windows and different systems. It is a separate one, and this host one, my main operating system, is separate one. Now let's install another OS. Again, let's create another VM, that is virtual machine. We give the name and we select the ISO, then next. We choose right amount of RAM and processor count. We can update it. Next, then finish. The installation will begin. Depending upon our main computer's processor and available RAM, the installation time might vary, so we have to wait for a while. It might range from few minutes to around hour, 1 hour. I'm speeding up this installation screens. During installation, it will give an option to click install Ubuntu. We have to click install, then process further with installation. You might get different screens, but the installation is complete. It might restart Ubuntu to complete the installation. The default password was change me, CHANGEME. Change me. I am using that same password. We get the welcome screen. Click next, next. We just click next, next. And here is our Ubuntu OS. We can explore the OS. It is different than Windows system. This is the file system, and that is home, that is trash. This is app center. We can download apps from this place. And for all apps, for all the setting menu and other options, we can find in this icon. This is the system monitor. Let's go to settings, and we can view about our system here. Our system is Ubuntu, and this is running in one virtual machine. We have another virtual machine that has Windows 11. I'm starting that also parallelly. Our Ubuntu is running and I'm running Windows 11 also. I'm running these side by side, and I'm running this task manager to view how the resources will be used. Right now my memory is limiting. I only have 8 GB memory, so it is used in maximum amount. Now this is my memory. Both Windows and Ubuntu are running. They are, both of them are running on top of my Windows 11. My Windows 11 is the host, and they are guest. They are the virtual systems that are running on top of my current system. This is the example of virtualization. Now I'm turning off my systems one by one. We can click into on top and send shutdown signal. Ubuntu is shutting down. My RAM usage is dropping significantly, and I'm closing Windows 11 PM also. It is also shutting down.